Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing the phone and entering safe mode so you can isolate apps. First, make sure the Pixel has at least 20% battery and remove cases or Bluetooth accessories that might interfere. Next, press and hold the power button until the power menu appears. This avoids accidental resets. Now, long press the power off option until the safe mode prompt shows. Tap Restart to confirm. Once done, the device will reboot into safe mode, where only system apps run, letting you diagnose problems. Once in safe mode, you'll test which third-party app causes trouble by observing behavior without them running. Start by using the phone briefly and note any crashes, freezes, or battery spikes that vanish in safe mode. Then open Settings, go to Apps, and sort by recently installed or high battery use. This highlights likely culprits. Uninstall or disable one suspicious app at a time, rebooting normally between tests to confirm whether the issue returns. This method isolates the offending app without wiping your data. To leave safe mode, simply restart the Pixel normally. Press and hold power, then tap Restart and let the phone boot. Safe mode disappears if no third-party app is forcing it. If the problem returns after exiting, try clearing the app cache, updating, or reinstalling the suspect app, because corrupted data often causes repeat faults. If apps aren't the cause, run a system update and check for malware. As a last resort, back up your data and perform a factory reset. This removes persistent issues, but erases user data.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.